Hi folks, Ash from DroningON here, and it seems we've been treated to another Sony AIRPEAK video. Now this one was listed a week ago actually, but interestingly it's unlisted, and it still is unlisted now. This drone remains a real mystery. We know virtually nothing about AIRPEAK, and the stuff that we're getting shared from Sony is just so abstract and random. They're kind of releasing bits, tiny bits, and these bits don't really go together particularly well, and so they're not building a very clever picture from a marketing or a sales perspective right now. It's not like they're even teasing us, they're just showing us videos, and there's no wrap around these videos to say, wow, you know. This one basically is the Sony AIRPEAK drone in a wind tunnel, a rather significant wind tunnel at that. And in the video we can basically see the drone getting ready to go, and as they're gearing up to do all of that, again it's just not really, they're not selling it, they're just kind of doing it. But it's very strange. I really do find this strategy quite odd. The wind tunnel fires up, we then see the AIRPEAK, the view from the camera on the AIRPEAK. There's the actual drone itself hovering. I'll put a link to this video. We can see the speed of the wind as well, 15 meters per second there it increases to 18 meters per second. You can see they're just almost 18 now. The drone maintaining its position, it's tethered as well, but the tethering is obviously not supporting the drone, it's just in case the drone gives up, and it's probably to stop it from being smashed to pieces. Again, more video from the actual drone itself showing it being nice and stable. And the video goes on and on. But again, we're not really seeing anything spectacular here. You know, we know that Mavics can fly in significant wind, and Inspire certainly can. And it just seems a very odd strategy. Anyway, we have a drone group for AIRPEAK. Just go to www.sonyairpeak.com. and you can see that Facebook group, and that's where all these videos and stuff are shared right now. It seems to be the best place to get the latest. So there's also a guy in that group who has some inside knowledge, and he keeps updating us with that, so that's quite useful. So click that link in the video description, join that group now, and comment below with your thoughts on AIRPEAK. Have you got any excitement about this, or are you just feeling a little bit like me, rather frustrated? Comment below, hit subscribe guys if you enjoy this content.